So I've been receiving a few questions about the Foundation to a Thriving Business class that I have available at a discount currently until mid-January. I'm going to go over some of those questions that I've been receiving. So for one, it is a at your own pace type of class. You will have recordings and you will have text. You also have downloadable content. So you are going to learn how to organize your business from the very beginning, getting super detail oriented about where you are spending your money, what your cash flow is on a monthly basis, and I'm going to give you templates. I'm going to figure out how to measure and scale your business easily, making it super easy to export and import into other softwares. That's also going to help automate your business as much as possible. So we're going to go through a couple mindset exercises that's going to help position your business where you're attracting more relationship-based business rather than having to be transactional. You're going to be setting up your business like a business, and then you're also going to be receiving free templates and tutorials on how to get really organized with your business, and your account is going to love you. And we are going to review some lead sources and really how to nurture your database. So if this is of interest and you really want to get organized for 2023, head on over to livegrowearn.com and check out the Foundation to a Thriving Business.